Ooh, it's your boy King Brainz back with another episode of Twisting the Throttle with King Brainz. Today, we're diving into the 42nd Maxton, North Carolina bike rally, an electrifying gathering that transforms a quiet street into the heartbeat of biker culture. This rally started out decades ago, thanks to a couple of guys with a serious passion for riding motorcycles, like Mr. Butch and Mr. Jake, who kicked things off with their shared love for the open road. Over the years, this gathering has grown into something iconic, thanks in part to a local family, the brother, sister, and their mother, who own much of the property along the road, making Maxton a must-visit destination for bikers all over. Imagine this, rows of custom motorcycles lining both sides of the street, each bike reflecting its own unique style, with cozy small-town homes as a backdrop. Neighbors step out onto their porches, joining in on the celebration. This rally has the feel of a giant family reunion, with a close community vibe that's rare to find. The brother and sister who helped organize the event are committed to keeping that sense of family strong, bringing their care and attention to every aspect, from thrilling burnout contests and bike shows to an epic bike audio competition that fills the air with the sound and energy. And the excitement doesn't even end with the bikes. Vendors set up shop throughout the property, selling high-quality riding gear, unique merchandise, and bike parts that every rider dreams of. Each vendor is handpicked, guaranteeing that everything at the bike rally reflects its authentic spirit. And when it comes to the food, oh boy, pure Southern comfort, smoky barbecue, crispy fried treats, and every local favorite you could think of. Picture motorcycles parked alongside picket fences and porches, capturing the charm of small town life blended perfectly with biker culture. The Maxton Rally isn't just an event. It's a living testament to a passion for riding and a bond of community. Thanks to the dedication of this family and the original founders, the rally has become a place where riders, locals, and newcomers all feel like family. That's the true spirit of the Maxton Rally and what makes it unforgettable. So if you're craving an authentic rally experience, Maxton, North Carolina is calling your name. Please enjoy the rest of this video, and as always, thanks for watching. Until next time, keep twisting the throttle.